Hello guys, back at my channel again. Today I'm gonna go to the airport. I'm not flying, but I'm seeing my best friend because she's not coming to Malaysia, but like she's transiting in KL, so I wanna see her for a while, and because I haven't seen her for like a month ever since I sent her off that day. So now my hair is still wet, so I'm gonna blow dry later. I'm gonna do my makeup and I'm gonna have a like breakfast first before I heading. So today I'm gonna use public transport. I'm gonna use LRT, and then I use a bus to go airport. So hope you guys stay tuned to more videos. So I'm here waiting for her. Hello guys, so she already landed, but like she's still way so far. So I found like a place to sit like at a corner, and she haven't at the immigration yet. She will text me and we'll just go in front. It's just right there. Yeah, so I want to see her. A plane landed around like 4:25. I can't wait to see her. And if you want to know who is she, I will attach a picture here, up here. Siapa ni? Oh my god. Say hi.
Hi.
Welcome back to Malaysia. How long are you been in Malaysia? I mean KL?
I'll be
in
here
2 hours.
Not even 2 hours. No, it's just like
there, isn't it?
there's a stair. Oh, soalnya.
I say this girl is so rich. Look. Benda ditinggal. See? It's like Yo, what the fuck are you doing?
Where you record? Still I'll be recording.
Ni jorok tau.
It fell out of it. I put it in my bag and it fell
Oh
out.
my god, that's a lot. That's hair some more. Bitch, look, it's waist egg, bitch. She asked me to eat this, and then this one is the one in the black bag. Look, it's time to look. Other place, ball lagi. You know it.
I'll just remove it once I reach home.
Remove what?
You still have some.
Take out lah, dorong and then kumu I will melt later.
It's not it's chips. Don't you know the basics of chips?
I don't know. Cause I'm dumb, you know, guys.
Shit, I need to go to this.
Bench pasta lah.
Hi, my name is Sita. Is it a good angle or do I look fat?
You look slim, so slim. Swallow.
Hi guys.
So okay, this is my friend from
Somewhere.
Jakarta.
Oh.
And then she will be flying again.
I'll be flying again soon.
This girl is rich. And then
Yeah.
after KK, right, she'll be coming back to KL. And then she
Yeah.
fly back to Jakarta. What is this, yo?
You know life.
Oh, your head.
You know. Okay, let's try going up then.
Okay, let's go up. Bye bye. Where are you going?
Sabah.
Okay. Have a safe flight.
See you when I see you.
Bye bye. Look here.
This this looks so insincere.
Okay, go. Bye. Oh, go. Oi, that way.
Okay.
Bye.
See me until there.
Until you go in lah.
Okay, what are we doing? What are we lining?
Lining to check up. Wow. See how heavy are you? Huh?
This one is also my baggage.
Oh, I'm your baggage. Okay,
Do I
fine.
need to?
Bye. I'm going back now. I'm waiting for my bus. The bus is not here. Stated the time departure is 6:15. Hello, I'm already reached home, so it's already like 8:45 as you guys can see from my phone. And then I really enjoy my today. It's really a productive day even though I don't do much, but I'm happy to meet my friend Sita. She's amazing. She's flying from Jakarta to KL and then to KK, and then she's like waking up at 7 and have to be reaching home around 10 something. Really proud of her. So I hope she can get a good rest also, but I don't think she reached KK yet. Okay, by the way, people don't know what is KK. KK is Kota Kinabalu, okay, Sabah. It's Sarawak and Sabah. I'm from Sarawak, okay. She's staying in Sabah for a month. But okay, I really hope that you guys enjoy my today entire journey to meet her. And if you guys like my video, don't forget to give me a like, comment and share it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel first lah. And hope you guys have an amazing day. Comment below if you guys want to see other more videos, and I see you guys in my next channel. Bye.